Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to mute audio in Camtasia. First, open your Camtasia and import the video you want.
Well, the next interaction that happened,
And here you can hear the audio. To mute the audio, right click on the video clip on the timeline. Select Silence the audio. The audio track will be muted. To unmute the audio, right click on the video clip again and select Restore Audio.
it was a couple
And here you can see our audio is unmuted. If you want to work with the audio separately, right click on the video clip and select Separate Audio and Video. This will create two separate tracks, one for the video and one for the audio. You can then mute or unmute the audio track independently. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.